Look at Renoir's The Umbrellas. At first, you may notice the crowd, the rain, and the blue umbrellas. But this lesson is about something quieter: color. Color does not only decorate a painting. Color creates mood. In this painting, Renoir uses blues, blacks, grays, and soft violet tones to make us feel the weather before we fully understand the scene. The painting feels cool, damp, and slightly distant, like a Paris street after rain. Now look at the umbrellas. Most of them are blue or dark gray. They cover the upper part of the painting like a heavy sky. This creates a cool, emotional atmosphere. The people are not standing in bright sunlight. They are surrounded by shadow, moisture, and movement. The color makes the city feel alive, but not warm. But Renoir does not make the whole painting cold. Look at the faces. Look at the child's skin. Look at the basket and the small touches of flowers. These warmer colors pull human life out of the rainy street. They remind us that this is not only a weather scene. It is a scene full of people, glances, and small personal stories. The mood comes from contrast. The cool umbrellas and dark clothes create distance. The warm faces and small details create closeness. That contrast is why the painting feels both crowded and intimate. We are looking at strangers, but somehow we feel near them. So here is the lesson. When you look at a painting, do not ask only, "What colors do I see?" Ask, "What do these colors make me feel?" In The Umbrellas, Renoir uses color to turn a rainy street into an emotional atmosphere. Color is not just what we see. Color is what we feel before we understand.